In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mind map in NotebookLM. Mind mapping is an incredibly effective way to visually organize information, making complex ideas easier to grasp and explore. Let's start from the very beginning. To get started, you'll first want to open or create a notebook. Head over to notebooklm.google.com. Once you're there, you can either open an existing notebook or create a new one. If you choose to create a new one, consider uploading some relevant sources such as PDFs, articles, or notes. This will provide the content needed for your mind map to be truly insightful. Now that you have your notebook ready, it's time to generate your mind map. In the chat interface, look for and click on the mind map chip. This is where the magic begins. NotebookLM will take a moment to analyze the sources you uploaded and then work to generate a visual mind map. This map will summarize key concepts and outline their relationships, presenting a neat overview of the information you've provided. With your mind map generated, it's time to dive deeper and interact with it. You can navigate through the different sections of your mind map using zoom and scroll options. This will help you get both an overview and a close-up view as needed. To explore specific areas, you can click on nodes to either expand them for more detail or collapse them for a broader perspective. This flexibility ensures you can manage how much information you see at any time. Another useful feature is the ability to ask questions directly within the mind map. By selecting a node, you can type in specific questions in the chat interface to delve deeper into that particular topic. This serves as a powerful tool to further educate yourself or clarify complex points without leaving the mind map environment. Once you're satisfied with your mind map, it's time to save and share it. The great thing is that as you work, the mind map is automatically saved as a note in the Studio panel, so you won't lose any progress. For sharing your insights, you have a couple of options. You can opt to share the entire notebook, allowing others to access the mind map in the Studio panel seamlessly. Alternatively, if you prefer a more static option, you can download the mind map as a PNG image. Just select the download option within the mind map window to save it to your device. And there you have it. Creating a mind map in NotebookLM is a straightforward process that transforms complex information into an easily digestible visual format. Whether you're using it for personal study, collaborative projects, or presentations, mind maps can greatly enhance your understanding and communication of complex concepts. Happy mind mapping!